I swear, the airport used to feel like a chaotic but predictable dance. You pack your little carry-on, zip it tight, glide into the terminal like some confident travel guru, and hope you don't end up being that person the agents pull aside. But 2026 changed everything. It's like the entire system developed new eyes, new instincts, and a new obsession with what you're carrying. And the most unsettling part? They don't warn you. No emails, no posters, not even a friendly announcement over a crackling speaker. You just roll up, minding your business, and suddenly your bag becomes the chosen one. Pulled, flagged, isolated like it committed a crime while you were sleeping. The first time it happened to me, I felt that cold shiver travelers get when they realize something is off. The agent lifted my carry-on, tilted it, and said, "We need to recheck this." No explanation. And the people behind me stared like I was smuggling fireworks. That moment made me dive deep into what exactly changed in 2026. Why bags, normal bags, are getting flagged. Why travelers are being caught off guard. Why the rules seem to evolve faster than the announcements explaining them. And the more I found, the clearer it became. These new carry-on rules aren't random. They're part of a bigger shift in how airport security is run, especially now that the TSA started using new scanning metrics, AI-powered bag mapping, density detection, and silent alerts that trigger without any visible indicator. If you travel often, or even occasionally, you need to understand what's happening, because the system won't tell you, but I will. And trust me, once you learn what's getting flagged now, you'll never pack your carry-on the same way again. Stick with me, because toward the end, I'll reveal the single most common item flagged in 2026 that almost nobody realizes is now a problem. And before we get into the first major change, hit subscribe so you don't miss upcoming Travel Smart updates. Now, let's begin. 1. The new density rules. No one prepared us. For here's the thing nobody told us. In 2026, density became the new enemy of airport scanners. Not liquids, not electronics. Density. I first noticed it on a red-eye flight from Lagos to New York. I packed tight, rolled my jeans into burritos, stacked shirts like files, stuffed my sneakers with socks. Efficient, right? Wrong. Apparently, efficient packing is now suspicious packing. Because the moment your carry-on turns into a compressed brick, the scanner sees one thing: an unidentified dense mass. And when the machine can't separate objects by shape, material, or heat signature, your bag gets flagged automatically. No warning, no second chance. And here's where it gets interesting. It's not even the agent deciding anymore. The machine sends a silent alert, and the agent simply follows the algorithm. The tech doesn't care if you're a frequent flyer or a first-time traveler. If the density looks off, it assumes you're hiding something. The funny part? The agent checking my bag didn't find anything. Just my clothes, folded too neatly. He looked at me like he wanted to say, "Bro, relax with the packing discipline. This new focus on density is causing more delays than you'd imagine." People get pulled aside for packing 3 sweaters too tightly or shoving their laptop between their shoes. And guess what? This change is worldwide. Before I explain why electronic clusters are now the next major target, and how even your quiet little power bank can betray you, stick around. It's about to get more surprising. 2. Electronics clustering. The silent red flag. This one hit me hard because I'm a tech-heavy traveler. Camera batteries, a drone, power banks, a tablet, headphones, chargers. In 2026, scanners don't just detect what electronics you have, they detect how they're arranged. When you pack multiple electronics in one section of your carry-on, even if they're allowed, the scanner sees overlapping circuits and triggers what agents call a cluster anomaly. You become a walking puzzle the machine refuses to solve. I had a bag flagged because my power bank rested next to my DSLR lens, and the system marked it as a potential complex device. My drone controller next to a microphone? Another alert. Even my electric toothbrush got pulled once because it sat too close to my camera battery pouch. And the funniest part? The agent told me, off the record, that the system isn't even checking for illegal items. It's checking for electronics arranged in a way that confuses the AI. Basically, if your bag looks like a spaghetti of circuits, you're done. So in 2026, the rule is simple. Spread your electronics. Let the scanner see each piece clearly. Avoid creating a little tech neighborhood in one part of your bag. Now, before I reveal the unexpected new rule about food, yes, food, stay with me. It's the part travelers keep learning the hard way. 3. Food items are now on the watch list. I learned this the messy way. Literally. My carry-on got flagged on a domestic flight because I had pastries wrapped in foil. Apparently, foil-covered food behaves like a mirror for scanner beams. It scatters the signature, creates noise, and triggers alerts. But it doesn't stop with foil. Thick foods like bread, fufu, solid chocolate bars, dense pastries, and even large fruits get flagged. Why? Density plus irregular shape equals suspicious. The agent opened my bag, removed the pastry, and said, "It's the foil. The machine hates foil." That's when I realized. In 2026, even innocent snacks became part of security's obsession with transparency. And here's the twist. Snacks aren't banned. But they can cause delays, especially when packed deep inside clothing or electronics. If you've noticed more travelers being pulled aside lately, now you know why. Next up, let's talk about the AI-powered scent detection quietly added to carry-on screening. Yes, scent. Stay with me. This part is wild. 4. AI scent profiling. The strange new upgrade. This one feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. Modern scanners can detect chemical signatures and heat patterns. New units deployed in 2026 analyze residue from lotion, plant-based materials, vape oils, cleaning chemicals, even fragrances. Once, my carry-on got flagged because my sunscreen leaked slightly, and the scanner detected organic compounds associated with oils. The agent wasn't even surprised. She simply said, "It happens a lot." This upgrade means if you have scented items, oils, body care products, or anything that can transfer residue, keep them easy to inspect. Before I reveal the single most common item flagged in 2026, hang with me. This one surprised even me. 5. The most flagged item in 2026. Power banks. Yes, power banks. And not because they're illegal, they're perfectly allowed. It's because 2026 scanners look at battery density, metal concentration, and heat signatures. A power bank sitting between clothes or near other electronics looks unstable in the system's eyes. Mine got flagged twice this year. One agent told me the algorithm checks for thermal anomalies. So if your power bank is pressed tightly against fabric or boxed inside layers, the scanner treats it like an overheating risk. Moral of the story, always pack power banks on top. Visible, easy to inspect, not buried under jeans and hoodies. And now we get to the part people absolutely need to hear. After digging into every new change, one thing became obvious. Carry-on inspections in 2026 aren't about catching criminals. They're about managing the overwhelming complexity of modern travel. Big data, AI scanning, density mapping, silent alerts. The system is smarter, but also stricter. And if you understand how it thinks, you'll travel smoother than 90% of people. If this video helped you avoid delays, or if you learned something new, hit subscribe, like, and share this with someone who travels often. Trust me, saving them from a surprise inspection might just make you their favorite person this year. More travel intelligence is coming, so stay locked in.